In this video, I'll show you how you can change your password on LinkedIn. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon, then choose Settings and Privacy. And from here on the left side, choose Sign In and Security. And from here, you will see this Change Password. So click on it. And from here, you need to type your current password. So I'm gonna quickly type it. And then you need to type your new password and then retype your new password again. So let's say there is this suggestion, but I will type my own. Then you need to retype it again. And then click Save Password. As you can see, password changed. So this is how you can change your password on LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.